Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate carrots instead of thinning them out. This year I sowed carrots in the easiest way possible. First, I prepared the seeds to get 100% germination. Then I simply sowed the prepared seeds in wide rows in bulk. I got very fast germination, and now it's time to plant the carrots. And this time comes when real leaves appear on the carrots, and they are this size. And I also have other videos on my channel with new working methods of growing carrots in order to get 100% harvest. Come and watch them, and I will also leave links to some of them in the upper right corner. As you can see, I have a really wide row of carrots. This is done in order to get more harvest on a smaller plot, and it works out well for me, as well as the rows of carrots and the nursery. I sowed only 3 rows and left most of the bed unseeded to plant the carrot seedlings at the right distances from each other. First, you need to prepare the bed. In my case, it had rained a lot and the soil was very wet, so I didn't water it, but made rows that were about 5 centimeters or 2 inches deep. If the soil in your beds is dry, you need to spill it well within a day to make it moist. And also the bed itself with your carrots, which are sown very densely, must also be well watered in one day. Here I have carrots growing at a normal distance of about 3 centimeters or 1 inch from each other. This will be enough for the carrots to grow thick and long. And here is the place where a lot of seeds sprouted. If you do nothing with this place, the carrots will grow very small. Using a fork and the fact that the soil is very moist, I can easily pull the carrot seedlings out of the soil without damaging the root system. You don't need to use spatulas or spoons, and you don't need to just pull the carrots out because you'll tear off the roots, and such seedlings will grow either crooked or branched carrots. And the void in the soil between the carrots left in the garden should be filled with soil. Now we just take the carrots and plant them in the prepared rows one by one. The carrots should be planted at a distance of at least 3 centimeters or 1 inch from each other, even a little more. Then it will have more space and grow larger. I don't put the seedlings at the bottom of the row, but rather put them against the wall and press them down. This way, the roots are leveled and the seedlings hold well. Once I have planted the entire bunch, which I pulled out with a fork, I immediately cover the roots with soil so that the carrots do not dry out. Therefore, it is best to transplant carrots either early in the morning or in the evening when there is no direct sunlight and it is not too hot outside. And I continue to do this with all the carrots in the places where they were densely sown. In this way, I do both thinning for the nursery and also plant additional carrots at the right distance to get a big harvest. Unlike conventional thinning, where you just pull out the extra carrots and throw them away, thus reducing your yield. But I will get 100% of the harvest from 100% of the seeds without losing anything. And if you don't want to do this, but still just want to thin out the carrots, then in the next videos I will show you a homemade tool that makes it very easy to thin out carrots. If you want to learn about it faster, like this video and write about it in the comments. Then be sure to spill the planted carrots in order to further compact the soil near the root system. This way, the carrots will not be stressed and will grow normally. As you can see, after transplanting these carrots, they look good, they have not wilted, so don't worry about the carrots, everything will be fine. The next day, after transplanting, I shot this video of what it looks like, and the picture is the same. The carrots are standing upright, they quickly took root, and none of them wilted. So friends, if you are going to thin out your carrots anyway, it is better to plant them in this way and get a much bigger harvest. That's all I have to say. I wish you a good day and great harvests, and I'll see you in the next video.